Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi students. Today's math session will discussing about division story problems. A warm welcome to all to today's class. In the last two classes, we have learned in detail about the steps of division procedures. Before starting today's session, just revise the basic steps once again. We know division has 4 steps. What are those 4 steps? Tell me what it is. No one remembers? Yes, okay. First one, divide. Second, multiply. Third one, subtraction. Last one, bring down. Don't forget these steps, okay. Then what we learned? You have learned to do division problems. Remember children, the homework given in the class, everyone should do and send at prescribed time. Okay. Before moving to the today's topic, let us do one example. Divide 6594 by 6. Everybody take notebook and pen. Get ready. You now have 30 seconds. Within that, you must find the answer to this question. Okay, start. Okay, listen here. I'll now write the steps on the board. Make sure you get the answer written on the board. Okay. 6594. How many 6 in 6? One time. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. Then subtract 6 minus 6, 0. Then bring down next digit. It is 5. How many 6 in 5? 0. We write 0 here. 0 into 6, 0. Subtract 0 from 5. Answer is 5. Next, bring down the next digit. It is 9. How many 6 in 59? 9 times 6 are 54. So, 9 times. Then multiply 9 into 6, 54. Subtract 54 from 59. Answer is 5. The dividend is smaller than the divisor. So, bring down next digit. It is 4. How many 6 in 54? 9 times. Then multiply 9 into 6, 54. 54 subtract from 54. Answer is 0. Is this the answer everyone got? If someone answers incorrectly, don't worry. They should watch the last videos a couple of times. Okay. Today you will get a worksheet for division problems. The worksheet should be done and must be sent today to your teachers. Okay. Now let us move to today's topic. Write heading division stories. Write heading division stories. And underline the heading. Don't freehand drawing. Draw straight line with scale. Remember students, all study materials should be in front of you before class starts. Okay. Write the question in your notebook. First question. 504 oranges were packed equally in 8 baskets. How many oranges did each basket carry? Write the question in your notebook. Pause the video and write the question. Okay. All of you complete? Then read the question. What did you understand from this after your reading? Yes, 504 oranges were packed equally in 8 baskets. If so, how many oranges in each basket? This is the question. Do the same things as we did addition, subtraction, multiplication, story problems. Okay, first write the statements. What is the first statement? Number of oranges packed in baskets is equal to 504. What is the second statement? Number of boxes packed with orange is equal to 8. It has been said in the question that the oranges in each baskets are equal. So we write the third statement. The number of oranges in each box is equal to 504 divided by 8. You can find the quotient in your working column. I give you again 30 seconds and you should find the answer. Okay, ready, start. Okay, stop. Look here. How many 8 in 5? Here, dividend is smaller than the divisor. Can't divide 8 by 5. So, what do we do next? Consider second digit and divide. Now, dividend is 50. Divisor is 8. How many 8 in 50? Count the multiple of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Next is 56. So, take before the number, that is 48. 6 8s are 48. Write 6 as a quotient. Then multiply 6 into 8. 6 into 8, 48. Subtract 48 from 50. Answer is 2. Next, bring down next digit. It is 4. How many 8 in 24? It is 3. Then multiply 3 into 8 is equal to 24. Subtract 24 from 24. Answer is 0. Okay. Check your answer. All of you correct? Very good. Write the answer in your writing area. The number of oranges in each box is equal to 63. Okay. One more question. Raina reads 400 pages of book in 10 days. She read the same number of pages in each day. How many pages did she read each day? That is the question. Pause the video and write down the question. Pause the video and write down the question. Ready? Finish. Okay. Read the question once more. Okay. What information in the question? Raina reads a 400-page book in 8 days. She only reads a certain number of pages each day. If so, how many pages she read each day? I give you 10 seconds to write the first statement yourself. Okay, ready, start. Okay, listen here. The number of pages in the book that Raina reads. The number of pages in the book that Raina reads is equal to 400. I give you 10 seconds again. Write the second statement quickly. Read your statement loudly. Okay? What is the second statement? Yes, number of days Raina taken to read the book is equal to 8. What is the third statement? The number of pages Raina reads each day is equal to 400 divided by 8. Go to your working column and find the quotient. Find the answer within 20 seconds. Start. Check your division steps. Listen here. Check your division steps. How many 8 in 4? 0 times. Because 4 is smaller than the 8. 4 is smaller than 8. So take first two digits together. How many 8 in 40? Count the multiple of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. How many times 5? 5 8s are 40. Write 5 as a quotient. Then multiply 5 into 8 is 40. Subtract 40 from 40 is equal to 0. Subtracted answer is 0. 0 is smaller than 8. So bring down next digit, which is the next digit? It is 0. How many 8s in 0? 0. 0 into 8, 0. Okay, now we finished all steps of division. Our quotient is 50. Write the answer in your third line. The number of pages Raina reads each day is equal to 50. Okay. One more example from your textbook. Rajesh has 9,635 rupees to be divided equally among 5 workers. How much will each worker get? Write down the question. Rajesh has 9,635 rupees to be divided equally among 5 workers. How much will each worker get? All of you finish? In this question, how many workers did Rajesh pay? It is 5. How much money does Rajesh have in his hand to give to the workers? 9,635 rupees. Write the statement. All of you write first statement. 10 seconds. Start. What is your statement? Read loudly. Yes, the amount in Rajesh's hands to pay the workers is equal to 9,635. What is the second statement? Write yourself. 10 seconds. Start. Finish. Number of workers is equal to 5. Third line, the amount received from Rajesh for each worker is equal to 9635 divided by 5. Find the quotient from your working column. 20 seconds. Start. Okay. Check your answer and division steps. Amount received per worker is equal to. Check your answer and division steps. Quotient is 1927. 1927. Okay. Amount received per worker is equal to 1927 rupees. Okay. Let us end today's class here. Please note your homework. Exercise number 6.4 A to C. Complete your homework and worksheet and send to school WhatsApp. Okay, all the best. Thank you.